What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates, and welcome to the hover shoe episode. That's right, it's hoverboarding, but on each individual feet. Do you think I can do this? Because I'm pretty positive that I have absolutely no experience in this genre, and we're just gonna try it and hope that my roller skating skills somehow translate over. Yeah, let's do it. I'm nervous. Today we are trying out HOVERSHOES by a company called Gyroshoes. There is a hoverboard shoe, which is basically like a electronic skate with one wheel. I don't know if I'm gonna be good at this. Honestly, I'm actually kind of scared, but I'm also like very excited. So they just arrived, so we're gonna open them up and charge them or whatever we have to do to get them ready, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna try them out. We're gonna record it and see what it's like and see if it's fun and if we like them. Hover shoes? What? Yeah, that's what we're doing this week on Queer Girl Straight Skates. Hover shoes. All right, opening them up. Oh my gosh, the Gyroshoes. They're the S300. I'm not sure if it's Gyro or Giro or Gior, but either way, oh my gosh, look at these. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, these are so intense. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's two. I'm gonna step on them with each feet, and they're actually like very heavy. I don't know why I was expecting these wheels to be super like soft wheels, but I guess they're thinner than I thought they were gonna be. Okay, yeah, so are you excited? I'm so excited and also so nervous, but we've got two of them. It looks like there is a charger, so I'm gonna charge the battery up overnight and we're gonna try these hover shoes. Holy crap, hover shoes. Let's do it. Yeah! Well, it's time. I am here and it's time to try out these hover shoes. I'm freaking terrified. I have no idea how this is gonna work. I'm wearing a helmet because safety is sexy, and also safety first, and some knee pads. And I turned these on earlier and just like tapped my foot on it and they went very fast. So best of luck to me. I don't know, I'm scared. But on the internet, 11-year-olds could do it. So I've gotta be able to do it. This is what it looks like. And it's got this like wheel. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Oh my God. Hosh. Oak. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay. I can do this.
What's that thing in roller skating? You bend your knees.
Oh my God, I forgot about bending my knees. Okay. Why are they running away? Ah! No, stop running away. Shh. Okay. Okay. Stop. Shit. I can't do it. No, stop running away. Stop it. Shit. I don't know how to do this. Okay. I don't get it. I guess I should have read the directions. No, stop running away. I can't do it. I can't get it. Oh God. No. Come back. This is the worst. Why is this so hard? No. No, no, no.
Just do it. Step. Step. There you go.
Oh my God.
You had it.
I hate this. I want my roller skates back. I don't like it. No, I wasn't.
You have to engage your core.
What core? I don't have one. Oh no. Okay. Okay, okay.
Very good, very good.
Oh my gosh, I'm doing it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Oh my God. Oh my, I'm terrible at this. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh no, I'm going fast. Oh God. Oh! Oh no. Come back. Come back. Oh no. Where'd the other one go? I did not feel stable at all. Even kind of. Not even a little stable.
You look like when you're first on rollers and you don't know about balance.
Yeah, that's how it feels.
Yes, yes. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, babe.
Oh God. Oh God. Ah!
Okay. What made you jump off?
I was not feeling this. I felt like I was gonna fall. I don't know.
Are you supposed to get high and jump, or are you supposed to get low and find your center of gravity?
Probably get low. Find your center of gravity. But I feel like there is no center of gravity with these things. It's probably a lie. There is a center of gravity.
Last night we had something. Tonight I'll be guessing. But I don't really have a case.
Oh God. Okay, I tried to apply roller skating principles that time, but I felt like I was about to fall backwards. That's why I jumped off. Okay, okay. It's weird because I can't go, like I want to go like this, which is how roller skating is, not like this. So it's so counterintuitive to me. Everything about this is counterintuitive. Like it's so weird.
But you're not on a hoverboard, so you can't. Try bubbles. I'm serious. Like
Try bubbles?
Try bubbles. I saw the guy do bubbles. Bubbles.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. 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 I'm turning. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Whew. Oh my gosh. A little bit. Bubbles definitely helped. Okay. Oh my God. Whew. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my God. Bubbles. Oh, thanks. Should I try and go a little faster? Oh God. Oh God. Ah! I don't know how to stop. Oh my God, that was so stressful. This is the hardest part for sure. Oh, I'm positive if you read the directions, it is much simpler than this. But you know me, I just don't want to follow any rules. I think that's why they call me Rebel, yeah. I think I'm used to sitting in my heels from skating. No, because I don't know. I'm trying to. Oh God, oh God. Like doing the downtown. Whoa, whoa, whoa. One foot is going faster than the okay, okay, okay. All right. Oh God, oh God, oh God.
Just lean backwards a little bit. Shift your hips a little bit. Shift your weight. There you go. Try to do bubbles backwards. Bubble it out. How does it feel? Talk to the people.
Oh my God, it feels really scary. I'm like I can't even say anything because I'm so concentrated. This must be how beginner skaters feel, and oh man.
You were a beginner skater.
I know, but it's been a long time, and so I always forget like this level of stress. Like my body is feeling so much stress right now, but it feels really cool. Oh my gosh. I'm skating backwards, I'm hover shoeing. Oh my God. I feel like, I'm scared. Okay. Like this whole video is just gonna be like me breathing heavily.
So it looks like you're doing what you would roller skates. You can have them like staggered and stuff.
That's exactly what I'm doing. The only way I think I've even mildly figured this out is by pretending like I'm roller skating. Like I'm literally pretending like I'm roller skating right now. Oh God. But like, so like I'm staggering back and then like, let me see if I could go forward. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Okay, so if I'm skating, and for me, I like to like stagger with one foot forward. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look, I'm going faster. And then, how do I slow down? Faster. Oh, slow down. Wow. Oh my gosh. Ah. Whoa. I know I'm not really going that fast, but it feels very fast to me. Whoa. Oh, this person is definitely staring at us like, what the hell? Wait, look. I could go fast.
Wow.
Oh, I'm in Derby. Oh, speed racer. Oh, shit. Oh no, I could not go. Oh no. No, stop running away. Shh. Oh, wow. Okay, well. Oh no. Do you think they were like, you're going too fast?
Yeah.
Wow, so that was the thing. I did the hoverboard shoes. That was actually really fun. It was very, very scary at first. And I also felt like that was completely new at something. I've never, wow, that was so different than anything I've ever felt. But using my roller skating skills definitely did help me like sort out how to make it happen when it came to like a little bit of skating backwards and like going forward a little bit. I just got into my like stance when I'm at the skate park, like on the ramps. That's what I did, is got into my ramp stance. And then doing bubbles definitely also helped me. But yeah, so Gyro or Gior, these hover shoes, the S300 hover shoes, are pretty dang cool, and I'll probably get used to them and practice and have more fun in them. But yeah, I still don't know how to stop, and that's terrifying. But you know what? It's all part of the process. Let me know if you liked me trying out new things like these hover shoes, and if you'd like me to try out other random things, because I'm totally open to it, and you can hear me freaking out for the whole time, just like this time. So fun. Love it. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support me, you can go to cheerstothequeers.com and get some cool stuff like laces or anything, really. I have lots of accessories there. And if you want to get some of these Gior S300 hover shoes, then you can do that on their website. I put it down below. Thanks for watching, and most importantly, cheers to the queers!